Hey there, everyone. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are. This is Andrew Tahako with TNT Group, posting for NakedTrader.com. The date is December 6th, and right off the bat here, start talking about how big of a kind of a night and also a weekend for really the news out there. Um, I walked in, saw Hungary, their government bonds. Their ratings got downgraded by Moody's. Not a huge deal. Hungary's not really a major player, I would say, in the world, but still another country getting downgraded. And then, though, we saw over the weekend, I believe it was Sunday, 60 Minutes had the Bernanke on. He made a very rare appearance. It's not too often that a Federal Reserve Chairman goes on national TV and really discusses the economy and what he's thinking. But he came on there and said some pretty strong stuff. He stated that there's definitely a certain possibility that the Fed really could increase their bond purchases by more than the actual 600 billion that they originally discussed. So a lot of talk and news about that. That he actually went on there and said that. So look for that, in these markets heading into the morning trade. I thought personally that we'd see more of a dollar down on that than we have been seeing. My expectation walking in tonight was to really, any possibility to get short that dollar, I would look to do that. Um, but we saw last night during the trading session that the IrishTimes.com came out. Um, their website came out and basically said they had a story that said that there's a good chance that Ireland and also other countries will likely abandon the euro within 5 years. I was long euros, and then that story broke, and they actually hit euro probably about 50 pips. I had stops in, so I didn't really get hurt as much as I probably could have on it. Um, but that story broke, and we really saw a euro get hit, and then you get now the whole rest of the night. This euro has consistently been making new lows, new lows, new lows, new lows. It's down 125 pips right now. So we're really seeing some weakness in this euro. I'm guessing just based off these comments from IrishTimes.com. There was talk a while ago about countries leaving, and they kind of died down, and then possibly we might be seeing these stories kind of break again. I placed both the Bernanke article or the Bernanke interview on 60 Minutes on our blog, as well as the IrishTimes.com article. Make sure you go check it out. I think it's really going to play into the morning session. Everyone's going to come in, look at that kind of news, and play their trades off of that. So make sure you're well aware and look into both those stories. Like I said before, really surprised about the dollar not being down. And it really seems like the market's taking more, more heart to really this Ireland story than it is to actually what the Bernanke said. So take it as it is. I don't know. I kind of turned my philosophy into getting short euros. It just seemed that's the way the market kind of was heading. They didn't want to check anything. They kept wanting to take it lower. They kept wanting to take it lower. So you can't fight them, I guess. So that's it. A spot I'd like to you guys take a look at the minis. Stay below 1221 even. I think if we stay below that area in these minis, I'd like to see a down move in it, down to possibly 1204. So a little bit of a down move if we do stay below that 1221 area. So check out our blog, www.tntgroup.me/blog. Posted both those things on there. Take a look at them. Here's the good trading. Hopefully everyone does well, and hopefully everyone had a great weekend. Andrew Tahako from TNT Group, posting for NakedTrader.com. Take it easy.